Go Esmeralda!
The story itself is like autobiographical because I really lost a loved one. Yeah, and I'm from a family of shamans. So my lola is from a tribe of Anito shaman, and my lola is from a tribe of Diwata shaman. So kapag nasa pamilya ka na magkaibang tribo yung ancestry mo, saan ka? Saan ka doon? So may mga balyana pa rin naman. May mga babaylan pa rin. Wala na raw sa bundok ang mga babaylan. Nasa city na. We have different ways of healing. Kahit ikaw siguro sa profession mo, nag-heal ka. When you write something or when you teach something, kahit anong profession nyo, you can be called a babaylan. Balyana is babaylan actually in Bicol. So, even nga aso, we have aso. Yeah. Kasi naniniwala ang ating mga ninuno na ang babae at lalaki ay equal lang. Kaya nga, di ba, ang pronouns natin siya, wala tayong he and or she. Walang pagkakaiba kasi ang dato at ang babaylan noon, at the same time, pwede silang mag-lead sa community. So yan ang belief. Ang ganda ng belief ng ating prehistoric, like ancient, beliefs. Yeah. Pero, now we have ASO. This is proof. Actually, some of historians would say they are the first trans in the Bicol region, the ASO. Yeah. So, yan. We have so many things to write about. It's just that bihira yung mga venue na binibigyang entablado ang mga kwentong ganito. Kasi we have to be, that some would frown when they see na, tungkol ba yun sa mga anito? Ay, wag na. Parang ayaw nila ng mga ganyang story. Ay, nakakatakot. But I would like to applaud the production. Kasi, natakot ba kayo sa mga anito? Diba hindi? Kasi, yeah. Anitos, they are our ninuno. Why would we be afraid of our anitos? Diba? There's nothing to be afraid about. And thank you that the production made us love our ninuno, our diwata, and our nature. Yeah, our Gaia. Thank you so much.